So we have 8 exponent x plus 8 exponent x equals 80, okay? So we're going to have 2 exponent 3 multiplying the exponent x plus 2 exponent 3 multiplying the exponent x equals, now 80 is the same as 8 times 10, okay? So let's apply the power of a power rule here. So a exponent m times c should give us a exponent mc. So we're going to have 2 exponent 3x plus 2 exponent 3x equals, 8 is the same as 2 exponent 3. Now 10 is the same as 2 times 5. Okay, and 2 is the same as 2 exponent 1. Alright, so we're going to have, okay, alright, so here we're going to factorize. So we say 2 exponent 3x multiplying, okay, 2 exponent 3x multiplies 1 plus 1, okay, equals 2 exponent 3 times 2 exponent 1 times 5. Okay, so let's clean this one. So we're going to have 2 exponent 3x times 2 equals 2 exponent 3 times 2 times 5. So by inspection, you can see this and this will cancel. So we're going to have 2 exponent 3x equals 2 exponent 3 times 5. Alright, now let's divide here by 2 exponent 3, here by 2 exponent 3. So this and this will cancel. So we're going to have 2 exponent 3x over 2 exponent 3 equals, okay, equals 5. Now let's apply the quotient rule here. So we say a exponent m over a exponent c should give us a exponent m minus c. So our equation becomes 2 exponent 3x minus 3 equals 5. All right. Now let's introduce logarithms here, since this base and this base are not the same. Okay, so we say log 2 exponent 3x minus 3 equals log 5. All right, now let's apply the logarithm definition here. So we say log a exponent n base b should give us n log a base b. Our equation becomes 3x minus 3 times log 2 equals log 5. All right, now let's divide here by log 2 and then here by log 2. Okay, so this and this will cancel. So now we have 3x minus 3 equals log 5 over log 2. All right, now let's apply the change of base formula here. So we say log a over log b should give us log a base b. So our equation becomes 3x minus 3 equals log 5 base 2. Now this gives us 3x equals log 5 base 2 plus 3. Now let's make x the subject of the equation. So we divide here by 3 and then here by 3. And then we have x equals log 5 base 2 plus 3 all over 3.